My name is Erik Burton, and this is the Cryptex Platform back office, and this is my proof of earning at least $150,000 so far in Cryptex. So I'm going to log into this account, and as you can see, I have a little bit of money pending here that I can withdraw in Bitcoin or BTC. As I scroll down here in my front back office dashboard, you can see my overall profits are $152,000 at this point. Now, profits from staking in the actual contracts, and you can look at that information and get that information in another video, link in the description below, has been about $75,000. But you can also see that my referral rewards staking is actually a little bit more than that. So obviously I do understand how to promote referral programs and get affiliate commissions and sales and that type of thing, okay? And how do you do it? Well, click in the link in the description below and or click into my email opt-in list, and I will give you all the details for free on how I actually go about doing this. And this is just one of many programs, okay? So if you're interested in learning how to earn income like this and more and consistently with any program that you desire to promote, click on the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.